Are you still spending $500 or more on a tablet just to stream movies, browse the web, or take notes? Well, stop right there. In 2026, budget tablets have gotten so good that you can now get big displays, great performance, and solid battery life for under $300. Today, I'm going to show you the best budget tablets of 2026 that deliver premium features without the premium price tag. We have the Xiaomi Redmi Pad SE, and this one honestly redefines what budget tablet means. It features a beautiful 11-inch display, quad speakers, an 8,000 mAh battery, and Bluetooth 5.3 for smooth connectivity. You can stream, browse, and multitask without any lag thanks to its efficient octa-core chip. The display is bright and crisp, and the sound quality is surprisingly good for its price range, usually around $200. It's ideal for anyone who wants a large screen for movies, reading, or light productivity work. The only real limitation is that it's not designed for heavy gaming, but for everyday use, it's fantastic. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, which is probably the most balanced tablet in this lineup. It comes with an 11-inch display, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, and Samsung's clean, well-optimized Android interface. The upgraded chipset handles multitasking smoothly, and you can use multiple windows at once, which is perfect for students or light work-from-home tasks. It's lightweight, durable, and comes in at around $250. The software support is a big plus. Samsung is known for giving long-term updates even on its affordable models. The only trade-off is that it doesn't have a super high refresh rate, but that's easy to forgive when you consider how well it performs overall. We've got the Lenovo Tab M11. This tablet is made for students and casual users who want reliability and value. It features an 11-inch display, the MediaTek Helio G88 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and up to 128 GB of storage. It also comes with a folio case in the box, which is a nice touch. The screen is sharp and the battery lasts up to 10 hours, making it perfect for study sessions, note-taking, or long Netflix binges. Lenovo's interface is simple and easy to navigate, and the audio is clear thanks to the dual speakers. The only minor downside is that it's not built for graphic-heavy tasks, but for the price, usually under $200, it's a great everyday option. Coming in next is the Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2, and this one steps things up with a higher resolution display, a 2.5K screen that looks incredibly sharp for its price. It runs on an efficient octa-core processor, supports Bluetooth 5.3, and packs a huge 9,000 mAh battery that can easily last more than a day of mixed use. The sound from its 4 speakers is rich and full, and it's great for entertainment or reading. At around $250, this tablet punches well above its price range. It's not meant for professional-level multitasking, but for media, casual gaming, and daily use, it's an absolute value king. And finally, we have the Amazon Fire HD 10, which remains one of the best-selling affordable tablets in the US. The new model features a 10.1-inch Full HD display, a faster octa-core processor, and better battery efficiency. It's built for relaxation, reading, streaming, and light browsing. And with Alexa built in, it doubles as a smart home assistant. At about $130, it's the most affordable tablet on this list. The only drawback is that you're limited to Amazon's App Store unless you sideload Google Apps. But if you're already in Amazon's ecosystem, it's a no-brainer. All these tablets are linked below in the description, so you can check out their latest prices and deals in US dollars. If this video helped you find the right tablet, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon. I post new tech videos every single week. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to spend big to get a tablet that performs big. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next video.